What is the unit circle?
How to find the unit circle.
Step 1. Stop. Step 2. In mathematics, a unit circle is a circle with a radius of 1. Frequently, especially in trigonometry, the unit circle is the circle of radius 1 centered at the origin. In the Cartesian coordinate system, in the Euclidean plane, the unit circle is often...
The unit circle is a circle with a radius of 1 point. There are 16 angle measures that you should remember for the unit circle, and an easy way to remember these angle measures is 30, 15, 15, 30. So for example, for the first one, you would add 30, then you would add 15, then you would add 15 again, and then you would add 30. So it's 30, 45, 60, 90. And you would go around the entire unit circle this way. Radians are a little bit more complicated. Since 2 pi equals 360, you can use division to find the radians around the unit circle. For example, for 30 degrees, which is 1/12 of 360, you could write it as 2 pi over 12 and simplify that to pi over 6. And you can do this for the entire thing. And especially for these first four, you can, for the rest of it, it would be multiples of those first four.
Another technique I've found helpful for remembering the unit circle is to get yourself a pizza as they're the same shape to illustrate the different points on the unit circle. As we can see here at 60 degrees, I'm illustrating pi over 3. So it's clearly shown on the pizza. Here at 0 degrees, we can see 2 pi. It helps that when the pizza is already cut to find the different lines on it. Here at 270, we have 3 pi over 2. Over at 180, we can see just pi illustrated. And then over at 135, we got 3 pi over 4. Some other cool and helpful ways of remembering the unit circle is a minion unit circle. Yeah, minion, yeah.
Just because it has to do with math doesn't mean the unit circle can't be cool.
Example number 2.
If you got a triangle, I can solve it. Find the degree in the sides and solve it. We talking about a shape that's got 3 sides. If the side's over 1, it's undefined. The unit circle, it's the craziest. It got a measure of 1 for its radius. Yo, you know you need trig to survive, so shut your mouth and find that sign. Each point on the unit circle, each degree measure has a trig function. And an easy way to remember these trig functions is all students take calculus. So for A, which is quadrant 1, that's all. So all trig functions are positive there. For students, which is for sine, only the sines on quadrant 2 are positive. For tag, which is for tangent, all tangents on quadrant 3 are positive. And for calculus, which is for cosine, all cosines on quadrant 4 are positive. And that is essentially the rundown of the unit circle.
Alright, that's my test.
Oh,
2,000 years later.
Done.
Yeah.